Well, these Johnson Brothers period old Chelsea, just post-war ivy leaf dessert or salad plates are just a smidgen under 9 inches. We say that if I put the tape measure across there, you can see they're not quite, to call them 9 inches would be a little bit over enthusiastic. 8 7/8 really is an accurate measurement on the maximum diameter on these. We have got the smaller ones coming in at just 8 inches. I think they would have made these in a range of different sizes over quite a long period of production for old Chelsea. These are post-war ones, so 1940s, 1950s, with the U3 is the rationing coupon code price bracket, which Johnson Brothers were permitted to charge for this china on the coupon system in operation in the UK during the period of production, which is 1940s, 1950s. Although the first of the Old Chelsea series with Old Chelsea above the crown mark were produced in the late 1930s. In good used vintage condition, occasional little knife mark on the glaze, but otherwise you can see the glaze in really nice bright condition. Pretty good retention on the gilt around the rims. Little bit moth-eaten in just a few places, but as you'd expect with used vintage plates, now coming up 80 years old, so pretty good really. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these going on catalogue. We will check them all over, make sure that they're all in good condition. We have got some dinner plates, smaller side plates and some terrines, all in the same pattern coming on catalogue, so do have a browse through the website. We'll pop a link in the description taking you through to the listing for these dessert or salad plates, and if you follow that, it'll take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website. Thanks for watching.